Setting up your HP printer on a wireless network in Windows 10 using HP Smart. When you have fully unboxed your HP printer, you need to set up the printer with HP Smart to start printing from your Windows computer. HP Plus is a complete printing solution combining innovative print hardware, optional instant ink services, and exclusive HP Smart app features to deliver a simple, seamless, and sustainable printing experience, all for using original HP ink. HP standard printers are printers available without the benefit of HP Plus. HP standard printers, however, still use dynamic security, which may be updated periodically by firmware updates. These printers are intended to be used solely with cartridges using an original HP chip or circuitry. Cartridges using a non-HP chip or modified or non-HP electronic circuitry may not function or may cease to function. This video shows the HP Plus printer setup. For HP standard printers, some of the images in the video may not be available or applicable. Before you install HP Smart, you can refer to the setup poster or postcard after unboxing your printer. To successfully set up your printer, gather the following materials and information: a computer running the latest version of Windows 10 and connected to the wireless network to which you want to connect your printer, an HP printer powered on and in a ready state, an active internet connection, and the wireless network password or key if required by your network. Note: to set up and use your printer, it must always be connected to the internet. On your computer, open a browser and go to 123.hp.com. Type your printer model into the search field and select your model from the list. Click on Next. On the web page that opens, click on Install HP Smart. If prompted in the pop-up notification, click on Open Microsoft Store. From the Microsoft Store results, click on HP Smart. On the HP Smart page in Microsoft Store, click on Install. Let the app finish installing, then click on Launch. On the HP Smart welcome screen, review the terms of use and click on Continue to proceed further. You can choose to help make HP Smart better by sharing usage data, but it is not required. Click on Yes or No to continue. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your Windows computer or those in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer and lasts for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. For printers without a touch display, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. To reset the printer network settings for a printer with a touch display, swipe down to open the control panel dashboard. Touch the gear icon, then touch Network Setup, and then touch Restore Network Settings. When prompted, touch Yes. Once your printer is in setup mode, return to your Windows 10 computer. HP Smart will display 3 options. This video will show how to set up a new printer. Click on Set up a new printer. HP Smart will now search for your printer. When it finds the printer, it will show on the screen. Click on Setup. HP Smart will confirm that it is ready to set up your printer. Click on Continue. HP Smart will ask for your Wi-Fi password to access the wireless network you are currently connected to. Click on Continue. HP Smart begins connecting your printer to the wireless network. For security, you will need to confirm your proximity to the printer. If your printer does not have a touchscreen, press the Information button on the printer. If your printer does have a touchscreen, tap the check mark on the printer display. HP Smart will confirm when it finishes connecting the printer to the wireless network. Click on Continue. To deliver printing and cloud services, data is collected from your printer to sync your HP Smart app and HP account. Click on Continue. Your HP Plus printer comes with an additional year of HP warranty and 6 months of free toner and delivery with an optional print plan trial. Click Continue. For your printer to operate after activating HP Plus, you must be signed in to your HP account, be connected to the internet, and only use HP Original Ink. Click Activate HP Plus. An HP account sign-up page displays. Fill out the information and click Create Account to create a new HP account. If you already have an existing HP account, scroll down and select Sign In. On the next page, enter your email and password and click Sign In. Your HP Smart account helps you manage your services and connected printers. HP Smart will register your HP Plus printer with your HP account. You can choose to accept or skip the HP Plus offer, but this video will continue with accepting the offer. Click Continue to redeem 6 months of free printing and sign up for print plans. Choose your preferred plan, then provide a shipping address and billing details. Your HP Plus subscription is now complete. Click Continue. HP Smart will then direct you through the remaining prompts to finish setting up your printer. Depending on your specific printer model, these steps may differ. Simply follow the prompts provided to complete the process, including setting up any available services or software. To print from other devices, you can visit 123.hp.com from your mobile device or other computers. Click Skip this step for now. Your HP printer setup is now complete. You can now print pages. Click Skip Printing Page for now. HP Smart will return to the home screen and show your printer in the ready status. You are now ready to start printing with your Windows 10 computer.